This week we've had two artists here from Ikuntji Artists, Virgillia, Multa and Roseranna. Both of them have been on an artist in residency through IES. Some of the highlights of the week include Virgillia and Roseranna meeting Eliana and spending time with an Indigenous Colombian artist, as well as meeting students from all different cultures and being able to talk to them about Virgillia culture and their culture.
Wasn't a bit different, it was same people, same mob.
Throughout the residency, students come in to do drop-in workshops.
I was teaching them in my way. They can learn to make something out of the necklace about their culture.
And the artists create their own artwork throughout the residency as well.
Me and Virgillia choose our two students to come to Hearts Club and enjoy in our community. I'm looking forward to enjoy with students again.
IES and Ikuntji Artists have been collaborating now for the second year in a row, and we hope to continue this fruitful relationship into the future.